When a JBL speaker is charging, it may blink white, indicating a potential issue. To resolve this, first check the power source and charging cable. Ensure the speaker is properly connected to the power source and that the charging cable is securely attached to both the speaker and the power source. If the cable is damaged, consider replacing it. Alternatively, try connecting the speaker to a different power source to rule out any issues with the current one. Once the connection is secure and the cable is verified to be functioning, give the speaker at least 30 minutes to charge before attempting to use it, as the white blinking may be due to a low battery. If the issue persists, try resetting the speaker by locating the reset button and pressing it with a pin for a few minutes. Before releasing it, allow the speaker time to restart. Then check if the problem has been resolved.